I'm falling apart. Literally. I'm losing all my hair. I don't know what else to say except help me.
What they did was help Tobias Whale turn my child into a monster. And when he decided to stop and do the right thing, they killed him. They murdered my baby.
At least disguise her voice.
As long as they refrain from using their abilities, they've been authorized to remain home.
I want to talk to him myself.
Can't do that. Though we have secure communications on this end, there's a remote possibility of tracing a call from your home.
No.
Why? We have intel that your officer is a green light user and a possible meta-human.
We saved Purdy's lives, including your baby.
Yeah, and I still have babies. They don't need this trouble. None of us do.
Well, I made a deal with your father, okay? Like I was saying, please make sure you are hydrated.
I want you to know we're on the same side. Don't worry about it.
There's more where that came from, but you are not backing out. Do you hear me?
You are a guest here. You don't tell us how to do this.
I will tear this place down and you know I can. Am I threatening you? Hell yeah.
She's a public servant with a perfect record. On the force where I got problems out the ass. And you snatch her up over some damn rumors about green light?
My orders are clear, so are yours.
I'm taking all this back.
Get out of there, Anissa.
Подтверждаю. Мета-человек обнаружен.
Katie, now.
This is your target. Terminate with prejudice.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen a 6-foot albino man?
No?
Okay, thanks.
That's funny because we're detecting the exact same energy flux right now.
He hasn't. None of us know what she's going through.
All I'm saying is I understand what it
As
means.
for questions, I'm a doctor. I think I know what questions to ask my patients. But you're so convinced that everybody has to follow your lead. You're making this into something that it's not.
Champagne.
You don't know me?
I don't need to.
What's happened to you? How come you don't know your own mother?
Yo, just because we in here like animals does not mean we have to act like it.
Wait, the Queen of Garfield?
Can we please hold on to our dignity? Damn, hold on to something. I guess we can't hold on, huh? Everything's different now. And so am I.